The innovation of the year is Innovative Neurological Devices, IND. And Bart, I guess the basis for the company is, as you look at conditions like anxiety, like insomnia, depression, the traditional path is through medication. You have a different solution.
That's right. So the traditional treatment for treating these disorders, anxiety, depression, and insomnia, have been antidepressants, commonly known as SSRIs, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. Those are the drugs many of you heard about, like Zoloft and Prozac. And they are effective in some instances, but unfortunately, for a lot of people, they have severe contraindications. So we've embarked on a non-drug approach to it, and the product Cervella that we received FDA clearance for in March treats it with electrical stimulation through the patient's brain.
Okay, talk about Cervella. And again, you got the received the FDA clearance there, a big step. Talk about the product.
First, I wanted to say that the type of the device that we will soon manufacture is called cranial electrotherapy stimulator. And they've been around actually for a number of years, so we haven't really invented the technology per se. But what we try to do is we try to make the technology more user-friendly. Typically, when you're using the stimulator, you have to wear the electrodes on the forehead, on the temples, or on the mastoid area and behind the ears or earlobes. Unfortunately, as you can imagine, a lot of people that have anxiety disorders or depression, well, they will not want to use a device like that in public where those type of scenarios occur, anxiety, for instance, attacks. So what we've done is we've designed a device that looks like a pair of ordinary over-ear headphones, and we've integrated the electrodes into the ear cushions of the headphones. So for all intents and purposes, the onlookers think that person's just listening to some music, because they are actually a fully functional Bluetooth noise-canceling headphones. So the patient can listen to music, but also is receiving a medical treatment at the same time. And as you can imagine, again, the attacks occur often outside of the comfort of the home, so now the patients can use the treatment anywhere.
Great example of innovation going on right here in Indiana. What's the potential that you see for this product?
It is worldwide. We actually launched the product just last month at the Anxiety and Depression Conference in Chicago. And since launching the product, we've received thousands of inquiries and pre-orders already for a product that we actually haven't yet started manufacturing and selling. So unfortunately, I have to say, because it's a sad situation, that the problem of anxiety, depression is so prevalent, not only in the United States, but globally, that I think there's going to be a huge demand for this type of a non-drug treatment.
Yeah, what is your expectation now in terms of manufacturing, your timetable and those types?
We already started the pre-manufacturing efforts. The product will be sold and supported from our office in Carmel in Indiana. And we hope to have the initial inventory before the end of July of this year.
Congratulations on great innovation. The innovation of the year goes to Innovative Neurological Devices. And Bart Waclavic, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Congrats.
I appreciate it.